Meaning of fraudster.
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 Fraudster. Fraudster refers to an individual who commits fraud, which is the act of intentionally deceiving someone in order to gain a personal advantage. Fraudsters often engage in dishonest or unethical behavior, such as forging documents, stealing identities, or creating fraudulent business schemes. The consequences of fraud can be devastating for victims, both financially and emotionally. Fraudsters may face legal penalties and imprisonment if caught, but unfortunately, many continue to perpetrate their crimes undetected. It is important to be vigilant and aware of the risks of fraud in order to protect oneself from becoming a victim.